Hey guys, Rusty here, Dougley HP. Today we have a '08 Audi TT Quattro, and we are changing the canister vent solenoid. This will cause you to be flooded after you pump gas. It'll throw lane codes, large evap leaks. You'll get a code for that, but main thing is when you get gas, it will leak out. So I already got it off, and pretty much the reason why I didn't have a video of me taking it off is because it's pretty simple. It literally clips on here, just slides on, so it slides off. These will have 2 clamps on it. Cut these clamps, you'll have to get new. I think this is size 4 hose clamp. Best way to test these, if you're not sure, is to blow through this side right here. If you could blow through that side, that's how you can tell it's bad. You shouldn't be able to blow through it with it off. And this is the case on most vehicles. Some vehicles out there, you could blow through them with it off, but when the key's on, it energizes them and shuts them off. There's only been a couple of models that I've worked on that are like that. And then on these plugs, I hate these plugs. What I do is I take thought I had a screwdriver laying here. I take a screwdriver and I push through right here, and then that's how I get it to unlock. I don't know how y'all do it, but yeah. So I just wanted to put that video out there before the owner gets back here and sees me dicking around on his vehicle. So check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, leave comments in if you know a better way of undoing these plugs, because they drive me crazy. And yeah, keep wrenching, guys.